Top 20 Most Valuable Websites in 2025. 1. Google.com market cap, $1.88 trillion. 2. Amazon.com market cap, $2.14 trillion. 3. Facebook.com market cap, $1.46 trillion. 4. YouTube.com market cap, $1.88 trillion. 5. Instagram.com market cap, $1.46 trillion. 6. Alibaba.com market cap, $319.6 billion. 7. Netflix.com market cap, $550.3 billion. 8. Baidu.com market cap, $24.6 billion. 9. Pinterest.com market cap, $22.6 billion. 10. Twitter.com market cap, $44 billion. 11. Shopify.com market cap, $132.3 billion. 12. Salesforce.com market cap, $256.8 billion. 13. Uber.com market cap, $86.5 billion. 14. Lyft.com market cap, $5.9 billion. 15. eBay.com market cap, $42.6 billion. 16. Wix.com market cap, $8.7 billion. 17. Square.com market cap, $50.3 billion. 18. PayPal.com market cap, $64.5 billion. 19. Spotify.com market cap, $132.4 billion. 20. Zoom.us parent company, Zoom Video,